Hello, everyone. It is Mark Noble from Grove, talking through some more 25.07 updates. This is DIS 1017, which is remembering the page size set by the user when we're administering most things within Aspen. We talked about this as part of another video as well, more specifically related to material requests, but it is kind of a general functionality now. So let's look at our series. So we have lots and lots of series. Let's go into administer series. So here we can see down at the bottom of the page, any place where there's going to be that number of records per page. If we set that instead of 25, I'm going to boost that up to 100. So here we go. So there's 100. We see we have significantly more there. If we leave this page, so I'm just going to click over to indexing settings and then back over to administer series, it's going to remember the number of records that I sorted. The other thing I can do is change how this is sorted. So by default, we've got date updated descending. If I wanted to change that and say, no, I would rather see my series by series title ascending, that's a more useful way for me to see them. So again, when I leave this page and come back, I will have that preserved. And again, that's working for really anything. So let's see, where's something else that's large. So if I wanted to show my library systems, I could look at my library systems. I only have one library system. Let's look at the locations. In this case, I'm logged in as somebody only able to administer the Aspen library. So those aren't great examples. Let's look at uh, let's look at our events. We have a few more there, so we've got quite a few. So I could set this and say I want to see 50 at a time, and I could sort those by title maybe, uh, or I could sort them by event date descending, so I knew that what was most the farthest in the future first. So you've got lots of options there. And again, it will remember those as you leave and come back. So if we come back to managing our events, it remembers that it is event type descending and that we are showing 50 per page. And because we see all of them, we don't even need the page indicators. And then if we go back to our series information, we will be able to administer our series and see those were all still remembered. So title and number per page. So nice functionality for people that use Aspen in different ways. We're not trying to then know what you're going to do and what's most useful for you. You can set it the way that you want. So we hope you find that all useful. We worked on this with Metro Library in Oklahoma. So thanks to them for sponsoring this work. And we will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.